everyone, I am Vidya. Welcome back to my channel Vidya Ka Gyan. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video updates. Today's topic is International Yoga Day. Yoga has been introduced in India since pre-Vedic times. This has remained a part of the lifestyle of the Indians from the years. International Day of Yoga is also called World Yoga Day. For the first time, it was celebrated on 21st June 2015. This initiative was taken by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, by giving an impactful speech related to yoga on 27th September 2014 in the United Nations General Assembly, and for this reason, on 21st June, it was declared as the International Yoga Day. This year's yoga theme is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. Now let's see the importance of yoga. The art of practicing yoga helps in controlling an individual's mind, body and soul. It brings together physical and mental disciplines to achieve a peaceful body and mind. It helps manage stress, anxiety and keeps you relaxing. It also helps in increasing flexibility, muscle strength and body tone. It improves our concentration, creativity and sharpen our memory. Regular practice of yoga brings positive changes in the practitioners. Yoga can be of great help for students as it helps them in leading a stress-free life without having any major disease. Here are some asanas which you can practice daily at home. Vrikshasana, that is tree pose. It strengthens the spine while improving both balance and poise. It improves and aids neuromuscular coordination. It makes your knees strong. It also tones your legs muscle. Uttasana, standing forward bend. These asanas give your back, hip, calf and hamstring a good stretch. It calms your mind and reveals anxiety. It also helps quiet the mind. It reveals headache and insomnia. Trikonasana, triangle pose. It strengthens the knees, ankles, legs, chest and arms. It increases both physical and mental stability. It improves digestion and stimulates all abdominal organs. It reduces stress and cures anxiety. Buddha-konasana, butterfly pose. This asana enhances the functioning of reproductive system in the woman. It helps improve blood circulation all over the body. This asana is a great stress reliever. Balasana, child pose. It helps release tension in the chest, back and shoulder. This asana helps to reduce stress and anxiety. This asana helps to stretch and lengthen the spine. It helps to stretch the ankle, hip and thighs. It promotes blood circulation throughout the body. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do comment and share with others, and also subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram.